What's up, everybody? Hunter Demarsh here. I'm coming with you guys with a brand new food review today. It's been a while, but we're back. Today we will be doing a food review on the Snickers iced coffee. I've seen this exist in many other places that's not New York, and I didn't think I'd be able to find this up the road for me at one of the stores I usually go to. So, yeah, I'm actually pretty excited about this. A lot of people say that it tastes like shit on their other reviews on this iced coffee. But that's other people. So, let's see what this shit's like. Gotta take this stupid ass plastic off. Alright. Alright. Smells like a Snickers. Here we go. Okay. The flavor is very strong. I like this a lot. I think Snickers was a pretty damn good choice of all candy bars to make an iced coffee with. I mean, literally, it tastes like you took your Snickers bar and you just shoved it right in your cup of coffee and just melted it and just put it in the refrigerator for a while. This is fantastic tasting. And I think that this definitely deserves a solid. I'm gonna give this a solid 8 out of 10. Because who knows, there might be other iced coffees out there in the world that are made by other candy bars besides Snickers, but who knows? Maybe another food review in the next few days. We might find another one with a different candy bar, iced coffee. So, new food review coming soon after this one. Oh, yeah. This is getting a 10 out of 10, actually. I enjoy this a lot. I don't know why many people are saying that this is disgusting. I enjoy this a lot, and I think people are tripping. Oh well. They don't like that decision or that thought. Oh well. I think this is fantastic and a good idea. I hope you like this food review. Give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe for more Hunter Demarsh.